Hello, I'm Dr. Hirdesh from Height Increase Info. So we have two patients who did bilateral tibia lengthening. Both lengthening phase completed, just waiting for removal. 6 centimeter he completed and he did 5.5. So we will know their journey starting to end.
Initially, I scared a lot regarding this surgery, but I would like to increase up to 7 centimeters, whereas I stopped at 6 only due to pin cutting, and I don't want to get any complications, so I stopped at 6.
And pain wise, starting to end, if we talk about how much you felt or comfort for you.
After surgery, up to 3 days or 4 days, I didn't feel any kind of pain, but later, slowly, I started recognizing pain, and for the first 20 days, literally, the pain is very high for me. Daily, maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour I slept. That's horrible the days are for the first 20 days. Later, slowly, the pain was drastically coming down. After 3 centimeters, I didn't recognize any pain. Now I can freely move my legs. Even it become a part of my body now.
The initial till 3 centimeter you felt.
Up to 2 centimeters.
Up to 2 centimeter. After that settle down. And start with you. What was your initial height?
So my initial height is 170 centimeters and initial target is 5 to 6 centimeters and I achieved 5.5 centimeters. Yeah. And regarding my pain, so during surgery there will be no pain, like you will be completely anesthesia everything. And after surgery, for me at least, the one day little bit discomfort and little bit new kind of feeling. And after move to rehab, for me for the initial 20 days, like it's kind of swelling. Like I didn't felt any kind of pain as like the pain difference between patient. For the initial 2 centimeters, the journey is very smooth, but my mobility has been very less because of swelling. But pain wise, it's very less. And after 3-4 centimeters, I started feeling discomfort and getting back my mobility. And so maybe at 4-5 centimeters, I started getting pin cutting, and I would say a lot of discomfort would be the main issue for me apart from pain. And the journey, I can say that the pain is secondary. The pain is not like completely every day. It's on and off. But discomfort is one thing, like it will affect your sleep sometimes. And if that's the main thing I would want to say. Yeah.
Okay, and what was the reason?
So I feel like my initial target was 5 to 6 centimeters and 5.5. I feel that's a good thing to stop. Yeah, I was happy with current.
What was the reason you chose height surgery?
Yeah, as like most of the people, the main reason
Because your starting height
is 170 centimeters.
it's good.
Yeah. It's kind of average, but I was quite insecure about my height as well. Due to mainly, I was traveling outside India and inside. I feel if there is a way to increase my height, it's always a good option, I felt. Then I was searching about a lot of options. If there is a way, then I find out, to be honest, I got to know about this surgery 1 year, 2 years before. And for the last 2 years, I was quite researching a lot. Like what's the pain? So for me, one of the main thing is like, okay, is it something manageable pain? Because for me, if it is a manageable pain, I can manage. If it easily, I can go 5 centimeters, which I can come into the
5 to 6 centimeters is very safe and good number, good target.
Even like most of the patients, I can see like at 5-6 centimeters, it's very less complications.
You can go further also, but it's a time game. If you have time, because nobody want to give time during lengthening especially, they want to get rid of this
Exactly.
frame.
So at initial phase, the frame is like feels quite odd actually, but at 4 centimeters right now, as you say, like it's part of body right now. Maybe after removing, we might feel quite weird after removal. Like right now, it's quite on body.
You feel very light. And what was your reason?
Insecurity was the main reason, and always I faced a bullying among the friends. So I actually, before this lengthening, to get more height, I have seen a lot of alternatives, consumed a lot of supplements which are all completely fake, and I fed up with that, lost a lot of money on investing all those things. I used Insoles to appear height. I changed my body appearance and dressing style, everything, but by the end of the day, the truth will comes to the picture. So I left with no option. The only option is limb lengthening. So I choose this.
So after gaining 6 centimeters, are you satisfied?
I'm very comfortable now and very happy. 6 centimeters.
So guys, want to give any suggestion for those who are looking for this height surgery, and for suggestion yourself?
So if anyone comes for like just it's a small surgery, I can come and go. It's not like that. It's a quite long process. If you have like so much motivation, like okay, I need to gain this much of, you will feel very much happy after gaining it. If you're like for like it's a small surgery, I can gain some 5 to 6 centimeters simply like that. It's going to be hard. You need to have a lot of motivation and dedication and discipline. Then the process is quite simple for the people who are very much waiting for them to see grow. Then they definitely look into the mirror and they'll be happy.
And if we talk about centers and doctor, how to choose a good...
So yeah, that's the main thing. Like for example, for me, before opting the center, I have searched quite a lot. Maybe I have searched all the clinics in Gurgaon, and I had spoken with all the doctors. And when I spoken with you, sir, like, so the main thing I really wanted in my clinic is, see, I'm going to stay for very quite long period. So for me, the main person need to be very spoken, very much be there if anything happened. That I can see in the first consultation. So then after having a consultation with you, I was like, okay, quite sure. See, for me, if something happened in the middle, if any complication comes, I can directly reach out to Dr. Sir, because that confidence I got in the first consultation, and that was there. Like you were coming every day and asking what things happening. That's the main.
So are you satisfied with your result?
Yeah, I was like right now I was satisfied with my lengthening. Now I have to wait for
final result is pending.
Yeah.
And what about you?
It all started in 2022. At that time, I watched your video in YouTube. Then from that time onwards, I started molding my mind. It was not a small surgery, that is for sure. You should invest your money. You should invest your efforts. You have to sacrifice some days. There will be some painful days and some happy days. Everything. It is a mixture actually. So finally you will after lengthening completion, you will be really happy. Trust me. And regarding the centers, before coming here, I already researched regarding 2 centers. Apart from this, they send their own quotations, but the price was not the criteria here. That's the most important to be considered. The most important thing in this lengthening is experience. Experience will definitely matters.
People are showing fancy things only.
No.
They give you this thing.
No.
They don't have experience.
No. You have very best experience, sir. And even at the time of 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock, you approached us at night time in emergency times. You responded very well, sir. I always remember those days, and I am thankful to you. You taken personal care, sir, and daily also Vikram sir will come and some other will come and ask how was your pain, how was your managing, and most important thing, don't skip your physio sessions at any time. Don't take it light. It will impact a lot during the lengthening.
Any suggestion based upon your experience who is looking for lengthening?
If you want to do, you can do, but only the thing is select the right center. That's the main important thing. If you choose, this is not a multiple time surgery, one time surgery. After completion of the surgery, you don't have to feel regret. That is the main criteria. In my version, I have selected the best surgery and I have the best doctor. Up to now, everything goes smooth. That's what I can say.
So this is their initial interview. Now lengthening is completed. Frame will be removed very soon, and once they start walking, we'll post their final interview. Till then, if you have any query regarding limb lengthening, limb reconstruction, or if you want to know anything from us, number is given below. Thank you.